When customers come to us, when employees come to us, when vendors come to us, we want this place to be something that's dependable. You always need a partner, and sometimes you need an outside voice. We're able to look at the products, look at the problems at a very technical level, and then solve them for our customers.
Electronics are more and more a part of our lives, more and more a part of every product. So we service a lot of different industries, including healthcare, automotive, industrial.
We're not locked into standard solutions. We come up with unique solutions to the problems that we're faced with.
And we like to have those conversations with our customers. If you have any new product designs, we want to be part of that engineering team meeting so we can make sure that we design cost out and set you up for success.
Every job that comes through has a unique attention that it needs. Being a high mix, low volume supplier is important for the customers that we have because we're able to give them the attention that larger manufacturers are not able to.
So we've developed and selected manufacturing technologies that help us change over quickly and provide a superior product in a high mix environment.
We're an agile company. What that means is we're able to customize our systems to meet the customer's requirements.
We've put all of our workbenches on wheels. And what that allows us to do is relay out the shop in the matter of minutes. If we need to go from one product to another product and have that high level of efficiency, we have that infrastructure set up for it.
The biggest kinds of challenges we help clients overcome is the unexpected. Unexpected growth, unexpected sales. We can best respond to our customers' needs by being flexible.
We want our customers to feel like Amtech is just not another contract manufacturer, but they're an indispensable partner.